Hello, welcome to my channel. Gamalam Ding Onati, and this is Monsters Capsule. Welcome, family. Welcome to the family. If you are new to this channel, we do lifestyle, travel, and all things that I love content. Okay, right. So today, it's a Saturday. I've been up since 6. It's a beautiful day. I love mornings. Before I was never we morning sana. Izinto zika-40 ezizenza umuntu enjoy the mornings because it's a new thing, but I am thoroughly enjoying it. So today, actually, I'm shooting 2 videos. This is the second video. Eyoqala is literally cooking in the kitchen. I'm making something in the kitchen. And then the second video, because the weather is so beautiful, and ndizawungena egadini. I am going to pamper my babies, and I am also gonna take you with. Sana, I am crashing the VLOGMAS whatever. Okay, since I'm gonna be chilling outside, this is my sunscreen. Ludongo olu clay from Esnuka, Episode 10. So I'll show you the clay, how I get it. Yo kutheni manzi ke ngoku ayisemanzi sana bensando yimixa, so ngoku it's so watery. Iza kungcolisa at this point. I need to put something over. Okanye can I? Okay, let's try. Yo, nansiphinde ndingayifuni. Iza kungcolisa. So I apply this all over my face because ndizabe ndihleli phandle ndiyigirl yegadi, and I figured indoba let me start open this vlog by doing this so that ningothuki xa nindibona phandle. But hayibo, yintoni ngoku luyifake ebusweni so that you know what is up. I hope niyayibona. I think I don't think niyayibona. And if I do, I'll try and see if I can do like a beam don't for you this video. Oh yeah, because it's too a consistency it's too watery. So I just use an old makeup brush. This is a foundation brush. Just apply it all over. One thing about me, Kesana. One thing about me, trust and believe, Ezasemakhaya izinto you find me doing in my household. As much as I'm not a fan. Okay, that is it here, guys. I am going to clean up because there's a mess up, and I'm going to clean up and then I'll see you outside. Bye. See you on the next one. Okay. Good. Okay, guys. This is the solution I was applying to my face earlier. So this is the consistency bensisho, but I'm not happy ngayo because this is too watery. But again, that's because this is a new batch that I just made. Not the which is part of the clay. I get this from umntu ohlala ePort John. So every time they go that side, I always ask into bandiphathele from esinuka le clay. So if you got a clay injena ke, I'll show you now. I'm going to clean this. If you got injena, one thing about this house, guys, we repurpose izinto. So that's how it looks. As you can see, peanut butter jars and so this is how it looks. If you got dongo or hlobo, and then I just mix it with water, and then it gives me this consistency, and then that is what I apply on my face for the day. And actually I also apply it ebusuku, but not all the time. Ebusuku iyangcolisa the same. Ilinen yakho iyayistayina emhlophe, so you need to be careful. So what I do is some nights I'll cover my stuff up, and then but the best time for me, I find, is iminenjena, where it's a Saturday, I'm not going anywhere, and and I'll be home the whole day. So I just apply it on my face and anywhere else that I feel bad there's a need, and I'm happy with it thus far. And that is that. Hope that works and helps you out now. Later, family. Bye. Creating content is a lot of work, and just finished clearing up. This is a setup here for the other video that I'm recording. Oh my god. Oh my god. Sana, this is the second time I'm recording this. The first time I'm being a recording. Anyway, I just wanted to show you guys this ad on this here over this is what was cooking in the oven. I think this is another episode. I'm not too sure whether I'm gonna make it episode 9 or 10. I am so proud of myself. Health sana, it looks so beautiful, roasted. I cannot wait to go in and just, health is wealth. Health is wealth. Taking a break. The time now is a minute to 11. Yeah, I'm hungry too. And Kati. But I think I'll eat after I'm done. Oh, creating content is a lot of work. Yo. But I'm here for it. I'm not doing anything outside the house. I made sure of that. So that I can be here doing this without any interruptions. So yeah, I think I think it's gymming actually, but I'm not gonna go there to gym. I'm just gonna go there for a steam and then come back, and then I think today. I might edit these videos today. Yeah, I think I'll edit today and tomorrow. Actually, I need to start editing because how ambitious I am about unamhlanje, because I've got space issues, but here I am recording back-to-back videos because I don't think these videos are gonna be less than 30 minutes. I doubt it. But okay, let me not make this video long. Let me end this here because we unnecessarily chat and why. Let me go check my cookings in the cooking house. Okay, later I'll see you on the next one. Break is over. Bye. Okay guys, this is Sandy 8 delay granola yam apple. If you can see it. So all that's left, and I've mixed it with green apple, half a green apple, with strawberries 2, and a few berries. Then what I'm going to do, I'm gonna add this is flaxseed plus inansika flaxseed nandona chai seeds, and then kengoku I'm gonna add some ashwadanga. Yes. Yeah, I'm gonna add a little bit of that, and then kengoku I'm gonna need a different spoonful. For the yogurt. Then I'm just gonna add yogurt, and that's going to be my into a cup. Everything is kaput. That is my brown cream, yogurt. Just add a scoop, and that is that, guys. I hope none of you go on and create your own. Son. What is ukuchitha ke ngoku? What is ukuchitha? Hayini wethu nakuthi ngichitha kangaka. Sekukho abantu ababawayo already. Okay, guys. Let me eat and relax. Alright, I will see you on the next one, guys. Again, if you watched up until this point, please do not forget to like, subscribe, follow, share, all those wonderful free things. that you can do to support my channel. Anyway, I will see you on the next one, guys. Bye. Cheers.